Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your contacts on your Hangouts. Since your Hangouts account is associated with your Google account, what you can do is the following procedure. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser, and on your web browser go to contacts.google.com. You'll be able to go to contacts.google.com if you've already been signed in with your Google account on your web browser. So make sure that you're already signed into the particular Gmail account with which your Hangouts account is associated. After going to contacts.google.com, you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this. Now what you have to do is you have to select a particular contact that you want to delete. So here I'm just going to select on the contact, and above the contact you can see 3 vertical dots. Tap on that and then tap on delete. Now if you want to confirm that you want to delete this contact, tap on the delete button, and here it says that one of your contact has been deleted. So this is basically how you can delete your contacts on your Hangouts. I hope that this video has guided you through the process. Now if you go and check your Hangouts, this contacts will not be available to you anymore. So if this video has helped you in deleting your own contact, make sure that you let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification so that you are reminded each time a new video comes up on App Guide. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.